good? Live to ride gang. Again, oh my god. Look at all these obstacles. All these obstacles in the way. Riders, welcome to another another riding around the block. I'm just literally riding around the block again, guys. My business is right there, so sometimes I hop on the bike and turn the camera on and trying to give you guys some values here. Let's see. First value is shit, stay consistent at whatever you're doing. Stay consistent, never give up, just keep doing it, and one day you get it, you know. One day you will discover that the information that you're trying to learn, you will learn more and more, and then one day you get the grasp on it. But you just gotta keep focusing on it though, you know. Right now I'm learning about trading and I'm getting good at it, but you know, I'm still taking losses. But I'm profitable. It's hard to hold on to the profit. I just gotta learn the risk management. I gotta learn how to risk management, protect my capital, so that way I don't blow up my account. But it's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy Wells. Make sure you guys hashtag live to ride. Live to ride another day, man. That's what this channel is all about. It's not about going really fast and acting reckless and stuff. It's just about this is that one bike. This is bike. This bike is fucking fast. It's fucking fast. Yeah. I mean, it is about living to ride. It's not just about, you know, riding really fast and acting reckless. It's just about, you know, live to ride another day, right? Just another relaxation. What the hell am I saying right now? I don't make any sense. It's just about the enjoyment of riding a motorcycle. How about that? How about that? You live just to ride another day, you know? God damn. This bike snaps. I had an FZ09 before this one, and that FZ09 was too slow. I needed something like more torquey, more you know, some little bit more to it, you know. This bike provides it for sure. Definitely provide that that kick, you know. But yeah, give you guys some more value here. It's to fall in love with your failures. A lot of people don't like failures, but I learned over the years that you gotta fall in love with that shit. You know what I mean? Yeah, fall in love with your failures and embrace it. Embrace your failures. Embrace your failures and learn how to adapt with your current condition. But always try it, always try it. Lately I heard about the universal flow, where you just go with the flow and just let the universe take you, because everything is already planned out for you. But I think that's pretty cool idea. But also, if you don't do anything about your life, you're probably not gonna go anywhere, right? You're not gonna level up if you just let the universe take over. So just try everything, you know, try multiple things, trying to elevate yourself, educate yourself, trying to learn new skills, right? I can yap for another like 15 minutes before my time's up. Let's do another hit. I felt the whole front of the bike lift up on that one. It's crazy, man. This bike is crazy fast, man. I don't know if this bike is tuned or not, because when I bought it, it was already like that, so I don't think it's tuned though. Alright guys, I want to end the video right here. If you guys learn anything, leave a comment. I'm trying my best to provide some values and some content. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.